Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to activate Soulshots. In the beginning, go to Inventory, and as you can see right here, we've got Quality Stellarit and Normal Stellarit. These are Soulshots, and when they are used with our weapon, they deal higher damage. In order to activate them, simply press the right button on it. Now we can see our weapon damage is increased by 10%. With each attack, this material is disappearing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.